What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis, and today we have a special package that came today. I've been waiting for this package for the past week, and it finally came. With this package, what is in here is gonna make the Accord sound amazing, sound different than any Accord where I live. I don't know about where you guys live, but where I live, there ain't gonna be no Accord 2.0 turbo, 1.5 turbo, the LXs, all those Accords, any Accord from 2018. 2017, even 2019, they're not gonna sound like this. With this product that I bought here, it's gonna help my Accord sound amazing. And I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna unbox it, the package right now, and show you guys what it is, and basically what it's gonna make. Why is it gonna make the car sound amazing? So we're gonna unbox this package right here, and like I said, I've been waiting for this because this is gonna make my Accord sound way different. I already know it's gonna sound good because I'll explain later. I kind of tested it out. Well, not the product, but I tested out what this is in a way to let me get an idea of what it will sound like if I had this. Which now I have it, so now I can experience what the real sound is gonna be. So let me unbox this real quick. Alrighty, comes like this, and what could it be? What can make my Accord sound amazing, way better than any other Accord? Feels like it's freaking Christmas gift. And here we have it. If you guys don't know what this is, it's basically intake adapter. So what this does and allows me to do is put a air filter, custom air filter, instead of the factory air box. It lets me eliminate the factory air box and put in my own custom intake, which is going to be a short RAM for now, and then I might in the future make my own custom cold air. But for now, we have an adapter. Now this will allow us to run, like I said, our sensor on this adapter and run our cone, which is our air intake. And this is going to be amazing, bro. It's going to make the car sound amazing. Alright, YouTube, so we're back. We're right here, like I said. We're going to the garage. I'm already at the garage with the Accord. I already have the hood open. Mustang's over there. Not that you care about it. You don't really care about the Mustang or the 86. You just care about the Accord. At least that's what my views say. My views say that you guys care about the Accord more. So I'm giving you Accord content. Over here we have the package. We already opened it up. And right here in the engine bay, I'm going to show you guys what we're... Sorry. I don't know if it's pollen or what, but it got me sneezing, bro. Shit. Let me flip the camera on. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to work on this area. This is the sensor that I was talking about. That's like a weird ass shape. I attempted to basically remake this myself, and I failed. I had like a little hole here because I accidentally cracked the one I was making on my own, which is why I bought this. But anyways, so we take the sensor off, and we're basically going to replace this whole box with this piece right here. I have the filter in the car. I'll show you guys in a minute, but for now I just want to see if this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this top off. Once I take this top off, I'm going to put this on. I'm not even going to take the whole complete factory airbox system out yet until I know that there's no check engine light with this and there is no idle issues. So let's do that. Just to give you a quick rundown on how to take this factory airbox off. I know there's a lot of videos already making it. That's why I'm not trying to waste my time showing you guys that. Just basically loosen these two bolts right here. A screwdriver. I use a screwdriver. One of these. Make sure you got one. Loosen up 2 screws. Loosen up over here. This is a screw. And then you're basically going to have 2 points right here that you're going to unhook on both sides, and you should be able to pull this out. And then you're going to pull this towards you. See if I could get it with one hand. There. And it's out. And then you twist and it's off. Easy as that. Like I said, I'm not gonna take this out yet. I want to see if this product works before I waste my time taking all this shit out. So let's do that, and I'm gonna put the sensor on it as well. So we already have a situation that this is not perfectly built for the sensor. By that I mean it places good. You can see it's like flush, which is what I wanted, so it might work. It's just the screw holes, the one black one that they give you up there, it fits, but this second hole over here I had to use the factory one because it's actually smaller, the screw, and I had to use the factory one for that side because the big one, the other black one that was on the other side, doesn't fit. So if it doesn't just have an air issue, I'm gonna have to re-drill that hole out and just see what happens. But the thing is, I don't have the thread, so if I re-drill the hole, it won't thread in. That's the problem. So that's the reason I went with the little screw. So hopefully I don't have to do that, because I don't really want to re-thread this. That would be too much work, especially for what I pay for this, which I'll tell you later how much I pay for this. But let's just see how it works. Let's put it in and see if it even works, right? But this is installed. Just put the two screws, put the sensor in. Simple as that. You can see it inside. Focus. All right, there we go. I just started the car. No checking the light. That's a good sign. No checking the light. I'm just letting the car is cold, so I'm letting it warm up a bit, and then I'll like show you guys, rev it a little bit before I put the filter on, which I have in the back. I'll show you guys while I was warming up. Might as well show you guys the filter I got. So this I bought in Advanced Auto Parts. Like I said, I was making my own custom adapter plate and I failed. So this is the filter I bought. It's a Spectra air filter performance. So yeah, you know, it's blue to match the car. Obviously the car is blue. See, no checking the light. Just have that stupid ass TPS sensor, like for the air for the tires. It's just annoying, man. I'm gonna have to see if I put air on it, if it goes away. But all my tires have air. They all have the same amount of PSI that it's supposed to have. It's annoying. But anyways, no checking the light, so that's a good sign. So now we're gonna take all the factory bullshit out and put the filter on. That's what we're gonna do. But right now I just want to warm it up a little bit and then give you guys some revs. Just an update. I'm trying to take those two annoying ass 10 mils right there. So if you guys are gonna take this airbox, the easiest way to take it out is to take those two 10 mils out. Let me clean this camera, hold up. Because that down there, all the way down there, it's not a screw, so you can't screw that out. And that's holding this damn airbox. So in order to take it out, you're gonna have to take those two 10 mils out that holds the bracket in place. That's what I'm doing now. So apparently I didn't have to do all that extra work of taking those two bolts off. All you have to do was manhandle it and it'll come off. Why I say that? Let me show you. Kind of wasted time. Almost cut my fingers trying to do this. Let me show you. As you can see, it's a rubber garment. You basically pull it up and it'll slide off, and you push in and it'll slide back on this rubber garment. Huh. Took this bracket off for now and put those screws back on. Cause I mean, might as well leave it there just whenever I want to go back to factory. But look at all that space I got now. Wow. What is this? Is a motor mount? But yeah, let me tighten that back down, and then I'm gonna show you guys the intake on the adapter. So this is what I ended up with. I had to buy another clamp because this is the one that goes over here to here. Doesn't fit, so I got to get another clamp for that. I'm gonna buy that later. For now, I have to make a bracket. Basically, I'll make the bracket that goes from the stock ones to hold this up. But for now, I just have it hold on to a zip tie for now, and it's not touching anything underneath at all. Nothing. So yeah, it's fine there. Looks really good. So from that, from this big old, yeah, looks way better now. Looks way better. Damn! Yeah, it looks amazing. What do you guys think? you guys think about the car, but right now I'm just letting the car warm up. Once it warms up, I'm gonna try to give you some sound clips for you guys. Yeah, but what do you guys think? You think it's a good idea doing a mod like this? Think I'm gonna get power out of it? Think it's just gonna stay the same just for noise, like I want it for? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you do like it, comment down below if you'd like to see my own custom cold air intake. You know, stuff like that. Complete muffler delete, resin delete. If you want to see stuff like that, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I would do things like that, you know what I'm saying? You gotta let me know if you want it. I'm not gonna do it for no reason, you know? But other than that, it does look way better. Especially the blue. It matches way more with the car. Looks amazing though. Open the hood, at least kind of looks more better, you know, instead of that stock big ass intake for no reason. But I'm really curious if it's gonna sound any different. That's what I really wanted it for, to sound, hear them turbo sounds. So I'll let you guys know if it makes any turbo noises. Yeah, just let it warm up real quick. I'll get back to you guys. Yo, I just drove it around the block and you definitely hear turbo noises now. It sounds fucking amazing. You can see a smile on my face, bro. Oh man, this is like the best mod yet. And I don't care if it has no power or nothing. It just sounds so dope. And I have no check engine lights and nothing. Oh, I can imagine with a cold air. If I put a cold air, my own custom one, cause I ain't gonna buy nothing yet. But let's see if you guys see how it sounds. I don't know if you guys hear that shit, but it sounds amazing. I'm gonna get some outside clips for you guys too. I'm just trying to get you some, you know, inside clips. You can hear it. It sounds amazing. Damn. This shit sounds amazing, bro. This is addicting. Wow, that was worth it. Damn, I can't wait to hear how it sounds with a muffler, resin delete, plus that, all those three noises, like those three noise mods, the difference it will make of this car. Wow, I can't wait. If you guys want to hear that too, like the resin delete, muffler delete, plus what I just did today, I think that sounds amazing. I think you guys think so too. You gotta let me know in the comments, bro. It's crazy, yo. Like I want to step on it some more. Let's see if this guy lets me. Oh my god, damn. Yo, this sounds amazing, bro. Let me flip the camera around, see if you guys can, like, just so you can see like with the RPM where it goes. See if I can get it real quick. Thing sounds amazing. I don't know if you guys catching that, but if you is, man, you know that shit sounds so amazing, bro. I'm gonna get some outside clips for you guys, so I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I pick up my sister or somebody that could help me record from outside while I drive by. I'm gonna give you some flybys, so stay tuned.
Anti-social. You going inside?
Yeah, the car. You guys are cool. See how it sounds? It's really cool. Oh, the window's closed, so people can hear it.
stopping.
No, you're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna do it one more time when we're here. Wait. Go off, faggot. Take it. Record?
Hmm?
Huh?
Yeah.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's okay.
Huh?
Yeah, it's okay. They have a stop sign or something.
Oh,
Done.
that's what I'm saying. He ate that stop sign. You saw that
Yeah.
shit? Is that a girl or a guy? There's a girl out there. Just ate that shit. See, that's why people get into accidents, because stupid ass people like that. Oh, move, man. So, I'm back home, guys. So basically, that's what the car sounds like with the intake that you guys saw. The eBay adapter intake, you could say, that I've made. Easy. Sounds amazing to me, in my opinion. Sounds really, really good. Like you could hear from the outside, as you can see on the clips. I might make a separate video after like a week of using it and tell you my review about it, basically, like my thoughts completely, because I just got it, so it sounds amazing. You know, when you first get something, it's like, damn, that shit is dope, it sounds amazing. I'm the only Accord in where I live that even makes a noise like that. It's good to be the first, you know what I'm saying? But I'll let you know in a week if it's worth it and my opinions on it after like a week, you know what I'm saying? Right now it just makes no sense because I like it right now, because obviously it's something new, not something I'm used to, you know. But it sounds good to me. I hope you guys enjoyed the flybys. I hope you guys enjoyed the other sound clips that I got to you. I hope you guys enjoyed the information that I gave you. And basically, if you want to buy this product, you could go to eBay. Just put 2018 Honda Accord 1.5 turbo adapter, mass airflow adapter, and it's gonna show it to you. And then it's probably like 40 bucks. I think I paid 38 plus shipping. Well, not shipping. I think the tax was like 40 bucks. So yeah, 40 bucks. It's not bad. I don't regret it yet. So in a week, I'll let you know if I do regret it. But for now, I don't. I like it. It's a good product. Sounds amazing. Like I said, I can finally hear turbo noises. Doesn't sound like an economy car. But if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, make sure you leave a like button, you know what I'm saying? If you liked the video, leave a like button, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, you know. If you enjoy these videos, if you want to see more Accord videos, you know what I'm saying? Like this, for example, like muffler delete, resonator delete, my custom cold air intake that I'm planning on making. Anything related to the Honda Accord, flybys, racing, all that. Subscribe to the channel. You subscribe to the channel, you leave a like, you leave a comment down below that you like the Accord videos. You're letting me know that. I will make more videos, and all the things I just said, I will make that happen. Alright? Stay tuned. Peace. See you next time.